You are Section 1. Can you introduce yourselves?
Hello po, I'm Scout Riel and I'm the ace of the group.
Hello po, I'm Scout Nero po and I'm the main rapper of the group po.
Hello po, I'm Scout Ron. I'm the lead vocalist and sub-rapper of Section 1.
Hello po, I'm Scout Travis and I'm the leader of the group.
Hello po, I'm Scout Chomo. I'm the youngest or the maknae of the group.
Hello po, I'm Scout Carl and I'm the main vocalist and visual. Hello po, I'm Scout Zach and I'm the main dancer of the group.
Hello po, I'm Scout Cian and I'm the main visual of the group.
Sabi ng manager nyo, kayo Section 1 kasi nasa top of the class kayo lahat. Talaga? At saka hindi lang matatalino, mga gwapo pa. Magaling pang sumaya, magaling pang kumanta.
Mana sa manager daw.
Mana daw sa manager. Okay, so meron na ba kayong single? Wala pa?
Working on it po, pero po, abangan niyo po yung mga single po namin na yung
Excuse lang, dadan lang kami, dadan.
Atras lang konti.
So, off-cam, sinabi ko na, ang iba pala sa inyo is nasa Science High School and you're all top of the class.
Yes po.
Okay. Lahat ba kayo, anong age range nyo? Age range? Who's the youngest? And,
14 years old.
kay kuya, pinaka-kuya?
I'm 16 years old.
So from 14 to 16.
Yes, yes.
So, paano naman yung chemistry nyo? I mean, hindi lang sa talent, sa character din. Sa ugali. Okay lang ba?
Yes po.
Sinasawang naman po most of the time. Yes po. Parang magkakapalit na rin. We're just like brothers.
kami and connections po sa isa't isa. Lalo po kung magkakasama po kami. Ngayon po na magpe-perform po kami sa Gawad Naman.
So, masasabi nyo na ano kayo? Gen Z pop group.
Yes na yes.
Yes po.
Okay, what were your preparation prior to joining the group? Ano yung mga preparation na ginawa ninyo?
Well, we auditioned po and biglang kinallback po kami sa mga motions and it was a blessing na kami wala po yung napili para sa Section. Yes.
Okay, good luck. So, you're going to perform?
Yes,
later
yes po.
on.
Thank you very much for this interview.
Okay. Section 1, you say. 1, 2, 3.